Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a little my mini slime collection. So I did mix some of my slimes, like a lot of them, because I was getting a little bit too many, so I had to mix some. So sorry if I'm being quiet because my mom's working right now. But here is the first one. It's Cloud Putty. This is it. It does crunch. And yeah, it does crunch, but I don't think you guys can hear. Sorry if I'm being a little too quiet because my mom is right now working. Beside me there. But I think, yeah, no hate, but I am going to talk a little quiet today because my mom is working. She's been working like 2 days now, I think. It's our second day working from home. But here it is. I'm sorry if I haven't been like posting that much of like slime. It's just because I wanted to do some games instead of like s'more slime, because I think you already seen that a couple times already. So I'm just gonna bring that back. I'm sorry if I've been not posting that much, but yeah. So yeah, here it is. Yeah. But now I can talk loud because she left. And I have this one. This one is like a teal one. It's kind of rippy. But it's like has a little bit. I know you've seen like more of it, but I did mix some of it inside the slime smoothie, and I did throw away the slime smoothie because I didn't need it. But yeah. Do that one. Then I have this one. This one might be a little sticky because, oh gosh, this is like a DIY poppet. Like if this slime ever goes bad, I'll use this as a homemade poppet. It's quiet side. And that side. I'll name it like a popper. I do have a real popper, like not a real one, but a homemade one for my friend. Yeah. I didn't really ever use it, but so sticky. I might not take this out, but I might will have to because I have to do some stuff. Some YouTube stuff. I'll do it for you guys. It's kind of sticky. Like it's sticking. Like I don't have any activated, by the way, because I don't do slime anymore. I know you guys like see me like make slime in some of my videos, but sometimes now I don't. Sorry, but you probably thought that was only slime on my channel. No, it's not on slime, but yeah. I did delete some of my videos, but sorry about that. I know it's like when I was like searching it, it was getting a little sticky. I know. If you don't know what, like, if I made, like, those videos that my fidgets and posted on YouTube and TikTok, if you didn't know those, basically, they're just, like, my fidgets. If you don't know what they are, they're, like poppets, simple dimples, stress balls, and, like, stuff like that. Popping for anxiety. I do bite my nails when I was little, and I kind of still do it. So there's this one. Okay, I do have Thinking Aaron's video. Okay, so here it is. It's called Aurora Sky, and it's Thinking Aaron's Buddy. All of them are made in the U.S. Anyways, I can't even open this. Like, I don't really like these types of, like, the containers. I don't like these type of containers. They're so hard to come out. It's already been 6 minutes and I'm already struggling. Get this thing out of here. I'm taking out the slime for you guys. Wait. I think this is like, oh my gosh. Okay. It's kind of coming out. But it's so hard to come out. Ugh. Hold on. Anyways, I can't even take this out. Like, I haven't touched it in a while. That's how I can't really. It's so hard to come out. Come out. Like, I know I haven't been playing with some of my slimes, but this is like, oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Oh my god. You literally, well, it's like white. I took forever to take this off. It's already been like, I did it like 6 minutes until 8 minutes. Finally, it came out. God, it wasn't even stretching. But like, some putties don't stretch. I recommend this one still. Just keep it in a different container because if you have struggles, yeah. I also have balloons to make stress balls. I did had a tutorial on my TikTok, my fidget account on TikTok. I do have a fidget account. My other friend does have a fidget account, but she doesn't post on that much. But I do. Because I've been wanting to do one because I did have fidgets that time. I did do a face reveal already. I know you're gonna tell me about the hackers and stuff, but mine's private. So don't worry about it. Because you can't do it because the hackers can't get inside my account because mine's private and they can't hack me. And if you hear any background noises, that is my neighbor. She has a little baby brother. And he can kind of be noisy sometimes. This can get a little foggy. I think it's already foggy. And this does glow in the dark. Yeah, it glows. Wait, let me see if it's going like a little foggy. It's kind of now messed up. Because it has like a bunch of glitter in it and like different types of color of glitter. Even though they're supposed to be only like green. Or like the colors of glitters of the Aurora. Northern Lights. But yeah! Oh my gosh. Like guys, this is how putty was made. Stretchy. Only sometimes. Rippy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so cringed. Oh my gosh. I was trying to rip it, not stretch it. Okay, yeah. It does. Squishy. Yeah. Air bubbles. Yeah. And like a bunch of more things. But yeah, that's that putty. Sorry if I took a little too long of my slimes. Guess what, you guys? I have another container of that parts. Yes. This is not that hard to come out like the other one. This one's easier to come out. This is called Putty Love because it has, like, it's for Valentine's, even though I didn't get it from Valentine's. I got it past Valentine's. And yeah, so it has like heart shimmer things and then pink glitter. It's kind of foggy now. Kind of had it for a long time. Guys, comment down below if you watch Chicken Girls. I just started watching Chicken Girls from, I don't know how long, but I didn't like watch it until I found about it. When are Eggy and Claire gonna be best friends again? But like, Eggy is now Claire's bully. But don't worry, in real life, they're actually very nice to each other. Or like, I forgot her name. But yeah. Do you know like the new movie in Brat TV? I forgot what's it called, but like it's like a scary movie. I don't like to watch scary movies. And it's by Sophie Fergie, Brooklyn Queen, Sarah Dorothy Little. And like, I don't know. But yeah. This kind of barely has any crackle noises. Oh, it did. When I first got this putty, it did have like, it was super soft. It was like literally clear. And it was inside a bag. And the container wasn't that messy. Until it was. Yeah, but I don't really do ASMR. I did do ASMR with my fidgets, mostly my puppets. So I have a lot of them. Then I think this is the last one. Yeah, I think this is the last one. It's this one. Basically, this slime was actually from my friend. The foam beads are from my stress ball. The beads are from my stress ball. And, yeah, I know it's an ugly color, but it's not her fault. But, this is a, It's supposed to be a cloud slime. Then I added foam beads for my Dino Crunch stress ball. I did like it that time until I wanted to cut it. So the beads will fall out because there was beads inside and I really wanted to. And I already had a hole in it. So I don't really care. But I did like that stress ball though. But it's okay. I got a slime anyways. So here it is. It is tiny. But yeah, it's not that sticky. It used to be a little sticky, like it is right now. Like it kind of sticks to me, but that's normally okay because yeah, it doesn't need any activation or something because it's not totally like liquidy or something. But yeah, so those are like my mini slime collection because I only have a little bit. I kept the ones that were good. This took me forever to open. So yeah, those are all of them. Bye guys.